Hey, what's going on? It's Stranjah, and you're tuned into my video channel. And I'm going to be creating a new series of videos where I share my personal tips and strategies that I put in place to ensure that I'm successful when I'm in the studio. And these are things that I've applied personally, and I'm not trying to say that I know it all, but they are things that I found have helped me when I'm working on a project. So for today's tip, I'm gonna call it get it done. And what I mean by getting it done is that when you're in the studio and you're working on a project or a song and you're feeling the vibe, you're feeling inspired, then aim to get as much of that project done as possible from beginning to end. The reason why I recommend this is that when you're feeling the vibe, it's really important to capitalize on that inspiration and getting as much of that track done as possible, because you never know when that creative energy, that inspiration will come back again. Oftentimes when we come back to a track, we're not feeling that original inspiration and creativity anymore. Most of the time when we come back to a track, it's more about cleaning things up, fixing things here and there, and it has less to do with getting into that vibe and inspiration, which is why it's so important when you're feeling that vibe to just get it done. Get as much of that track done as possible so that when you come back next time, most of the track is there already, and all you need to do is just clean things up here and there. So when you're working on a track, put in that extra 15%, the extra hour. It might mean adding that extra layer of sound, adding that extra effect, arranging your song, getting it so it plays from beginning to end. And you'll find that once you really push yourself, you'll get through what I call that tipping point, that breaking point where it's like, voila, you have a complete or almost complete project. And I found that really helpful in my personal work. I found that when I'm feeling the vibe, get as much of that done as possible, and you'll be on your way to success if you follow that tip. So thanks again for listening. My name is Stranjah. If you found that helpful, be sure to click on subscribe below and stay connected for future updates and tips and videos from me. So until then, keep at it, and we'll see you at the next video.